Well now, ain't that some crap?
To be honest.
I was starting to say, you have some holes, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
That is a good thing. Wow. I better do it this way.
Okay, hold on. Put your safety on. No, there you go. Put it up there. And then your breath. Then when you're lined up, then move your finger, not before. Okay, safety.
Uh-oh, I did bad.
You jerked that one.
Mm-hmm.
I saw that.
It's up there. Where'd it go?
You've got to remember to put that safety on.
Yeah.
Because you're not going to be walking up every time.
I missed.
No, you didn't. Now you're empty. See the way it locked back?
Oh, yeah.
Now, drop your clip.
Okay. Hang on.
Nice.
Are you empty?
Yeah, it only holds 6. Okay,
Oh.
we're going to do a quick review here.
Run, lizard, run.
Yeah, that lizard's in a bad spot behind that target. Alright, so Mom's first 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So she is getting really good. She was a little, this was her first one, and I stood back and watched her. She just over anticipated the noise of the gun and maybe the recoil, because I watched her pull the shot. So I'm gonna come over here to my end. I mean, you notice my holes are a little bigger. I'm shooting a 380, and it only has a 6-round clip. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Are you bragging?
No, I'm showing them our progress. And I was just bragging on you. If you didn't have the earmuffs on, you'd have heard me.
Oh, okay.
Woman.
Are you bragging? See what I do with?
To the next one now?
No, we're going to stay right where we are for now.
Okay. Good.
Unless if you want to move back. You want to move back?
Not
Okay.
yet.
All right, well, hold on. Let me get to it.
I said I was moving more than you were today.